Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, before we get into this video, don't forget to go over to my business page at boss_bags by Mix. Go over to my personal page at Yanieki_. Links to all of that will be down below in the description. I'm talking fast because I don't want the background noise in the introduction, because this is where I'll be talking alone. Like for the rest of the video, I just alone hairstyles. One for doing the box braids, I go on. So I don't want no interruption for the starting of the video. Guys, as I just said, as you can see down below in the title, I'll be showing you ways to style your box braids, whether them old, whether them new, whether them fresh, whether them sealed. We're gonna do this now. And also, I don't know, just let's get into this video, guys.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, I wish you away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, I feel like
guys, we've made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Comment, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for being here. These were just some easy ways to just style your hair and go on the road, or go to a little dinner, go a little outing or work. Just something simple, nothing too hard. All of them easy. During this video, guys, I feel so bad right now, like I just literally feel sick. So I'm just glad to get for complete the video. So yeah, guys, remember what I said: like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye, guys.